Vaterra what? Solid axle rear and dependent front. Vaterra Twin Hammers coming at you. This is old. Look at the shape this thing is in. It's in fantastic shape. Let's do that again. IFS front, solid rear. I'm already working on it, so it's kind of falling apart on me. And, well, I have had this Ford pre-runner body for a like standard crawler wheelbase, 13.2, I believe. So we're gonna grow the wheelbase and we're gonna put this body on it. We're gonna try to leave the cage. I've already done some adjustment work for the cage, and it needs a lot of work for it to work. From the parts bin, I sourced different lengths of links. So it should push this wheelbase back a bit. That's what I got so far. I haven't done much. I have pulled it apart. I've done a bunch of disassembly. I drilled a couple of holes on the battery mount here to permanently attach it to the chassis, because otherwise the battery mount is what supports the rear suspension, and that was hooked up to the cage, but I had to remove the cage, so it no longer functions that way. It's got a bunch of aluminum parts from the previous owner, and I'm going to try to do it justice by turning it into a different vehicle altogether. I did start it. It has a 2-speed transmission, no servo in there. I'm going to have to decide on what speed, I guess, from the 2-speed transmission I like. Probably the slower one. It's all locked, so the diff in the rear is locked. The diff in the front is also locked. As far as the body, all I've done so far is cut the rear some. And I just kind of haven't painted it, so I'm able to see. And then the whole thing just kind of fits over. I only cut what I needed to. Kind of fits over the whole thing, like so. So I think it's going to work out. I mean, it's obviously going to I'm going to do something, because this whole thing, once it sits on the actual chassis, it's super low. So it's going to have to be brought up just a bit to make it usable. So if we set this down on the chassis, it's got to go, there's a bunch of suspension travel, and with suspension travel, it goes way into the body, and it just needs to sit a little bit higher. I have nothing against anything sitting too low, but too low is going to make it unusable. So there it is, the Vaterra Twin Hammers. It turned out pretty cool. Looks like a pre-runner and it acts like a pre-runner. Going with first gear instead of second gear was definitely the way to go. I did burn that castle system that was in there. It's kaput. I don't know how I did it, but I did. And I replaced it with a Hobby Wing. The Hobby Wing system is just enough uh, to give it some kick, but it levels off really nicely. I love it. The paint scheme went good. It was a ton of fun uh, driving it out, and it's now the winter, so I don't want to take it out. Everything's open on the inside. The cage looks super cool. I did some weathering on the paint, and the two-tone, it just looks cool when it's out there driving. Suspension works really good. Making it a little longer just improved how this thing handles. I love it. I really liked how it handled. I really like how it drove. Nothing really rubs. It works really good. Like suspension just works. You can see the other side. It just works really good. It's nice and soft. I'm still not sold on the wheels and tires, but honestly, I don't have anything that fits inside the wheel wells. It's pretty narrow compared to like a standard wheelbase crawler. The parts for these have become harder and harder to find, and they always come at a premium, more so than like your normal stuff. So I don't want to break it, and I'm happy with it. And if I get bored, I can just take everything off, put the panels back on, and there you go. Twin Hammers Vaterra. I kept everything. Yeah, Twin Hammers trophy truck with a Ford body. Man, I really like how this thing sort of worked out. I put a Scale Metal Supplies seat in there. I don't know if it's visible or not. And then the windows are just tinted. They just came out really dark. There's a bit of weathering on the front windshield, a little bit on the paint, although it doesn't need it. I haven't cleaned it. It's from the run, and it was just a very short run because I ran it into the water and it stopped working. But it's back up and running. There's nothing wrong with it. Vaterra Twin Hammers, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around till the very end. Go buy a RC and take it outside. We all need more fresh air, even if it's winter and 19 degrees outside. Anyways, peace. Oh, fuck.